Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to customize rifetheme portfolio section. This is a rifetheme star demo page, home page. Here you can see the portfolio section. Here you can see portfolios are listed. Now I am going to customize this portfolio section in my live website. Please follow my instruction carefully. This is my live website on which I am going to implement portfolio section of Rife WordPress free theme. You can see here is portfolio section on my WordPress live site. Now I am going to customize it. Please go to dashboard, go to pages and find portfolio page which I have to customize. No, this is not my required page. Yes, this is page which I want to customize. So first of all, go to pick edit. I want to show my company projects instead of portfolio. Update. Now refresh. You can see page title has been changed. Now I am going to change menu item. Go to dashboard, appearance, menus. This is already has been done. Menu item has been changed to projects from portfolio. Now I am going to customize these portfolio item one by one. The important thing here to note down is that you have to see where these projects are coming from, these portfolio items are coming from. So go to dashboard, go to works, and here you can see each and every individual item for portfolio or projects. Yes. Okay, how to customize this? Edit with Elementor. Here you can see change the text, heading, text, description and much more. To change the name and image of this portfolio item, you have to edit poster markup, title has been changed. Now you have to replace the image. I am going to insert this image. You can use any one of your choice. So here you will see the image has been changed and the title of the project has been changed. Test project. So in this way you can customize project or portfolio section if you are using Rife WordPress free theme. So this is it for now. Please keep in touch for further information. If you have any query, please don't forget to comment. Allah Hafiz.